Hi, welcome back to Factorio, and I built a thing. I improved a thing. Last time I built, let me see, this one. It's a lot of wiring, it needs a lot of space, it has this loop inside, so you can't just plunk it down with a blueprint and it will work. If you missed it, what this does is it gives a machine exactly what it needs to produce a product. But it's kind of slow while doing so. So I built this one today, which is an improved version of it. And here I built the whole thing with a production row, so you can see it's working. I will go through what it does later, how it does it. But if I say I will only request one of those, let's remove, fuck's sake. Let's move away and remove that requested chest. You can see it stopped because it has no, it can't pick up assembly machines once. So let me place a simple steel chest. If I add this 50 machines in there, it will autosave. No, it will start again, and we will never have this belt filled up with one item or a group of items. It will always dispense as much items as we need. To prove that, we can look here. You can see it's clean. All those beacons and speed modules are just to speed this one up. So if I activate this, I need to activate the recipe and create a pulse by just switching this around. And if I want to stop it, I just deactivate this constant combinator. We wait until everything's consumed. We can see here this doesn't output anything, so everything should be fine. Everything is fine. So how am I doing this? Easiest parts first. These are all wired up to the respective item greater than 0, and stack size is controlled via the item. This just pulse reads what's on the belt, so what's outputted from the chests. This constant combinator just has every item for the recipe in it. It's multiplied by -1. Why, we will see. This decider will let everything through if P pulse signal is equal to 1. This one filters everything out that's greater than 1. So the negatives will go through, the pulse signal will not. This is a memory cell. It's said to always be true because there is no 0 signal in my system. So 0 will always be 0, and it just outputs everything it gets in, which then is multiplied by -1 to control inserters. The red wire to this memory cell comes from the belts that read the content of the belt in pulse mode. So this will always have what needs to be put on the belt to have another complete item. Then this is just a pulsar. This is a pulsar that just checks for everything in 0. Output signal P for pulse as 1. If it does, this one will send the P equals 1 equal 1 signal for exactly 1 pulse, or 1 tick. Gapwin made a nice video about this. I will link that in the description below. So what's going on is recipe comes in here, is stored, is reduced if an item is put onto the belt. If everything is 0, there will be a pulse, so the recipe will be loaded again. And I will copy that and add it in the video description. I hope you liked the video and watched it to the end, and thanks for watching.